This is Basilica of Our Lady in Trastevere. Trastevere basically means, from my understanding, is across the Tiber. It's not open at the moment because everything here in Italy doesn't open until much later. There are people painted on this. Let's see, there's 5 people on each side of the center person on a chair, on a throne. I'm not sure if that's Jesus or something. I'm not sure what they're holding. And then at the top here, it's hard to zoom in, but it looks like there are 3 angels, and I guess that's God in the center on the throne. And at the absolute top here, there's something, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe that's Mary? Now, Rome is truly spectacular.